Welcome to my magical world. That's my mixture. I can make anything bigger in it. Let me help my brother. He's playing a small red ball. Ball, please. My magical mixer will make it bigger. Wait few more minutes. Yay, you have a big ball now. My brother looks happy now. Hello baby doll, what are you playing with? Your hippo. Let me make your hippo bigger in my magical mixer. Wait few minutes. Wow, a big hippo for you. This is a magical hippo.
Rock-a-bye, baby, on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Hi unicorn, how are you? You want to wash your hands, right? Let me make it bigger so that you can wash your hands. Let the magic begins. We have a big kitchen with a big hand wash. You can wash your hands now. White time! All clean. I love my unicorn. Hi Teddy, how are you? Let me make your car bigger so that you can ride on. I can make it bigger. Oops. Wow, your new bike looks so big and cool. Hi Bunny, how are you? Your egg looks so small. Hey, I did it! There you go, Bunny. I love my magical blender.